Once you've recorded a video on Screencastify or on your phone, you can get it onto your YouTube channel very easily. So watch my video about making a YouTube channel first. Now, I'm going to show you a tab here where I have recorded a Screencastify. I press stop, and now I'm on this tab where I can review the video, I can edit it with the scissors. When I'm ready to publish it to YouTube, I'll see that option to the right. Press publish to YouTube. Choose your channel. If it's not here, you can press add a channel and you'll be able to choose it from this menu. So because I was messing around with that tab, it gave me an error, but I'll tell you what to do if you get an error. Choose your channel, change it to public so that anyone can view the video. If you really don't want people to see it, you can do unlisted so that you can copy and paste the YouTube link only to the people who you want. Add your description and then hit upload, and that will actually publish your video to YouTube. Now, let's say that doesn't work. I'm going to move my video over here. Let's say that you get an error of some kind. You can download your Screencastify and press export as MP4 and then hit export, and it will start downloading this video and preparing it. And when it's ready, you'll get a pink button that says download. Now, in the meantime, I want to address that you can upload videos to YouTube even if they're not from Screencastify. If you had only your cell phone and you recorded yourself drawing or you recorded yourself singing and you wanted to put that on YouTube, grab that video, get it onto your computer with Google Drive. Let's pretend this is the one I want to upload, and let's go to YouTube. So let's pretend that I was just at youtube.com. So I'm on the homepage of YouTube and I'm signed in with my school email account and I want to upload that video from my phone or wherever it was. So I've thrown it onto my computer. All I have to do is press this little camera with the plus sign and I can upload a video. I press upload, bring me to a new tab, and I can just drag the file or select the one I want to upload, find the folder that I want, open the file, and it will start uploading this video. You can adjust the title, the description. When it's done processing, you'll notice, I'll move this again. You'll notice that it's processing over here. If you have playlists, you can add them. You can say if it's for kids or not. Let's press next. You can check out the video elements. You can skip right over it. And here you choose whether you want it public, private. You can schedule when it's going to be released. And when you're done, you can hit publish, and all of a sudden your video will be on YouTube. And that's it. You can see the link is right here. And that's it. I'm going to make an unlisted video for now. It will finish processing. So this video is currently at 95%. I do want to encourage you to use this instead of using Screencastify and directly sharing it to your Google Classroom, because YouTube has a much better hit rate for processing these videos. It only takes a few minutes for YouTube to process when Screencastify can take a lot longer, especially if every person in America is using it at the same time. So now this video is finished processing. I can go back to my dashboard in YouTube Studio. So how did I get here? Well, it should automatically bring you there, but let's pretend that it didn't. Let's pretend that somehow you didn't get back to that page. I'm just on YouTube. I can click my profile picture and press YouTube Studio to see all of the videos that I've published. I can click the videos tab and dashboard. So here's my video, working from home. And I can copy the link by clicking those three dots and get shareable link. I can go right to the YouTube page by pressing this play button. Here I am. So remember, this video is unlisted, so it's not public on YouTube. I highly encourage you to publish your videos publicly, especially the ones you're willing to share with people and to help students get an education everywhere. I'm not going to say this video is critical to getting education, though it might be entertaining. Anyway, thank you for watching.